Hello everyone and welcome back. Ever wonder which AI writing tool can dominate your content game? In corner one, the sleek newcomer, Deepseek R1. In the other, heavyweight champ, ChatGPT. But which one will slay the blogger's headline, boost your SEO, and make writer's block extinct? Okay, well, I know that's normally not me, but hey, why not? Hey, content writers, welcome back to our channel. It's great to see you again. If you're new here, we're all about turning AI chaos into content magic. So hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and if you're ready for this showdown, don't forget to hit that notification bell because you won't want to miss what's coming next. Oh, and before we dive in, if you're serious about conquering AI content creation and AI in general, check out our 30-day AI challenge playlist up above. That's your secret weapon. Drop your excuses and grab your link below for our 30-day AI challenge itself. And let's get leveled up together. Today we're putting together these AI titans through fire, blog outlines, SEO hacks, tone, flexibility, and even drama. Who cracks under pressure? Let's get ready. All right, ready to crack down blog content king? Well, here it is. All right, so we're going to do both Deepseek R1, and I know it's been busy lately, the site, but we'll check it out. We'll start with them. We may have to hit refresh on that a couple of times to get it to go, but once it goes, it'll go just fine. Let's take a look at our actual prompt. So write a complete SEO optimized blog post in a conversational, engaging tone. Ensure the blog content is concise, flows naturally, and feels like an easy, relatable read. Make sure that it complies with Google's current rules. That's an important part there. And then what I have is, here's the topic. I'm going to do AI customer support for roofers and how it saves money. Include key comparisons. The post is for my blog, my chatbot native site. Any and all links should be comparative sites, 1,000 words without any fluff, or as close to 1,000 words without any fluff as possible. It's not going to hit 1,000 words every time I've tried this, but I haven't tried this lately with the new R1 yet. So we're going to see what happens here. All right, first begin research. Incorporate a minimum of 1 to 3 references. This may not work too well right now with R1 because I don't think that search is available on it. We'll try, but we'll try. See what happens. That's all I can say. Conversation style. And then it says to incorporate 3 internal links. So what this is I just copied out my sitemap and posted it in there. Keep the paragraphs and sentences concise. Blah, blah. Oh, negative keywords. This is all very important. This is the things that everybody always, oh, it's AI and it drives you crazy. So I have that in there as well. And then output goals, create an optimized blog post that is informative, engaging, and easy to read with references integrated naturally to support the discussion. Use hyperlinks embedded in contextual keywords to provide credibility and additional insights, and include a table for added variety and clarity. So let's go ahead and Control A, Control C. Now let's go ahead and go back to this. We're going to try search. I'm guessing it's not going to work because all the problems I've been having lately. We'll try that first. My guess is that's going to come back as, yep, can't use that. But it seems to be working okay here. I just don't know how the links are going to turn out. So we'll go ahead and try it again with the links. And then we're going to come over to ChatGPT and do the same exact thing. And we're going to go ahead and turn search the web on. So that's actually giving ChatGPT a little bit of an advantage with it. But we'll come back here. All right, good. It's not going to stop, which is good because I know lately they've been having service issues. But it looks like it's working just fine. It's doing its thinking. This is one of the things I really love about Deepseek R1 is it really tells you everything that's going on. So it explains, okay, this is what I got to do. Avoid the technical jargon, introduction, challenges for roofing customers. All right, here we go. Okay, it's doing it in an HTML format, which is fine. We'll be able to move that over and see what it actually looks like through an HTML editor. And then it makes it easy because we can just copy it. Oh, I did ask it to do that. Test the HTML in WordPress. Oh, actually, we don't need to. We can run it right here. I forgot. All right, so it's going through all of that information right now, which is great. Let's see how ChatGPT is doing. There it goes. It's searching the web, which will help out a lot for it. I don't think you can run the HTML here, so we'll still need to pull it up and see what it actually looks like. But then we'll be able to copy it and do detect AI. All right, is it done yet? Still writing over here with Deepseek, but again, it's not going to have the links, I don't think, properly. But maybe there will be real links. We'll have to check it out. All right. External links to Forbes and Business Insiders are included. My guess is those are fake links, but let's take a look and see what it looks like. How AI customer support saves roofers money without compromising quality. All right, there's my nice little table. That looks pretty good. Cost, Business Insider. Let's try opening that in a new window. Open in new tab, just to see if that's a real link. Yeah, it's not a real link. That's what I thought. Okay, well, let's come back here. We could actually find some links on this, like I said, because it's not able to search the web. That's an unfair advantage. I like these shadow boxes that are in here. All right, and that's my contact information. Start a live demo for my demo page. Custom chatbots, custom versus generic. ROI calculator. Let's see if that's a proper link. That's a proper link of mine too. Chatbot lead generation. That's a proper link as well. And Forbes highlights. I'm guessing this is not a real link, but we'll try copy, open a new tab. And let's see, can't find that page. That's what I thought was going to happen with it. All right, so let's go ahead and copy this out to see how it looks in GPT-0. Okay, we'll Control C that, come back over here, and we get a little pop-up there. That's all right. Control V and detect AI on that one. I hit detect AI. What's the problem here? Oh, it's there. So 23%, that's not too bad. All right, roofing is hands-on industry, but Forbes highlights AI-driven costs. Okay. So not too bad, 23%, 300 words. So let's try telling it to expand on that, because 377 words, that's not enough. Please expand on this article to make it as close to 1,000 words without adding fluff. Keep all the other rules from the original prompt. All the other rules from the original prompt. That's good enough. And we're going to copy this also so we can, again, side-by-side comparison. Let's make sure we're fair here, as fair as we can. All right, so we'll let that one run. Hopefully it doesn't burn out. Let's see if it's going to burn out or not. It's thinking it may time out. All right, it looks like it's going to work. So let's go ahead and go back to ChatGPT. All right, we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this in here. But before we do that, we're going to copy this and we're going to go over to an HTML editor. Okay, I think the editor's here. Yeah, there it is. All right, put your HTML text here. So we'll go ahead and highlight that. Oh, it was already highlighted. Control V. All right, AI customer support for roofers. Let's see how many words. We'll check their links. I don't see any links yet. Oh, there's one link. It's listed as a source. Let's open this in a new tab, see if that's a real link or not. AI customer support, bot savings, solutions. All right, see, so this is actually, it is a real article, but the problem with this article is it would be a competitor, which is something I told it not to do. All right, so we come down here, it's going to say source there. Again, another one that says source. Let's see if this is a real one. Looks like it might be another article, so we'll go ahead and open that one up. See how this one turns out. This one is another source, services. This one, right, AI-driven customer support costs. All right, so this is a real article, which is good. Again, I wasn't expecting R1 to work because of the issues that it had. This one looks like it might be okay, so we can close that one out. And this, embrace the future. All right, chatbot native services. Okay, source, and it gave me one link in the whole thing for my website. Let's go ahead and copy this and see how that worked out. So we're going to come over here to detect AI. We obviously don't need the, and that was at 23% for for R1. And let's see what actually happens with GPT. 63%. Yeah, so it's not as humanized for sure. There are some humanized part in it. Again, 369. So what we want to do is we want to come back into here and be fair. Hit that one again. We hit the thing, so it'll go on that one. Please expand. Whoops. Didn't work. So we're going to go ahead and copy this again, just to make sure that it's fair. I actually hit it twice. I think that's the problem. Searching the web. All right, let it do its thing. And we'll go back to Deepseek and see what we had added. Real world examples. Again, that's going to be a fake one, unfortunately. Integrate 2 internal links. New internal. I don't want internal, I want external. All right, total word count. I think that that's including all of the. All right, let's see here. Let's see how this one turned out. It's still short, it looks like to me, but compliance guidelines, must have chatbot features for businesses. All right. Efficiency solutions, lead gen strategies, business insiders is the same links that had before that were improper links. Again, I can't argue with it because it can't access the actual internet with that one right now. But when that search is back up, it should be pretty good. So let's copy this out and paste this one into Zero GPT again to see how this works. A, Control V, detect. Now it's a lot more, 4,000 characters. 6%. Ooh, look at that. We've dropped that way down, and our total is 609 words. So that's much better. A little bit of adjustments you might need to make, but overall it looks pretty decent. In the layout, let's take a look at the formatting on this. I like the shadow box here. The only thing I'd really need to change or update is I'd probably drop a couple of those internal links, but add a proper link here, find a Business Insiders that gives me some stuff and some Forbes or something like that to get a proper link in there. All right, let's come back to ChatGPT. Is this the updated one? That looks like that's the updated one. So we'll copy and we have to go back over to the HTML. We go over here, Control A, Control V. All right, no shadow boxes. Oh, there's the table. I do like the table that it's come up with there. Still looks pretty short, but let's make sure we got that properly. Control A, let's delete this. And we're gonna come back here just to make sure we got the proper thing here. Because I don't want to. Oh, that's not where I need. I need it over here, don't I? Yeah, I need it here. Control V. All right. It does have the table here. No shadow boxes. The formatting isn't quite as nice as the other one, but let's see what actually happened here. See if it really increased. There's only 300 and some words. Both of them were around 300 words at the beginning, remember? So if we hit this, detect, let's see what happens. Should be going. Yeah, it's going. Still 63%. So if you want more humanized content and this is still only 369 words, so how much did it really change by going through it again? Now the links were real here, and they weren't real in Deepseek, but again, if we look at Deepseek, I'm unable to do that search right now because of the problems that they're having. I'm happy it's back up because Deepseek, yeah, I think it's the clear winner here. All right. Thank you again for your time today. I hope that helped clarify some things. I will share that prompt in my checklist that you can get free down below.